Hello everyone. In previous video we have discussed the perturbation method. Up to this equation psi is equal to psi2 plus phi. This is equation number 5. Now we can put the value of phi from equation 4 to equation 5. Means the value of phi is this psi1 c1 psi1 plus c2 psi2 plus c3 psi3. This is equation number 4. Now we are putting the value of phi in equation number 5. Now equation becomes like this: psi is equal to psi2 as it is plus c1 psi1 plus c2 psi2 plus c3 psi3. This is equation number 6. Now psi2 is already introduced. We know that we have introduced psi2 already, and hence c2 psi2 are very smaller factors and we can neglect the smaller factors. So we can neglect this c2 psi2 here. Psi is equal to psi2 plus c1 psi1 plus c3 psi3. Because we have neglected this term, that's why equation 7 become like this. Now recall the original Schrodinger wave equation and put the value of psi and change in Hamiltonian operator. We know that what is original Schrodinger wave equation? Here is H psi is equal to E psi. This is our equation number 1. Now we can put the value of H, that is Hamiltonian operator, change in Hamiltonian operator H plus H0 psi as it is equal to E psi. This is equation number 8. Now H plus H0 as it is. After that, what is the value of psi? The value of psi is psi2 plus c1 psi1 plus c3 psi3. We can keep the value of psi here. Okay, psi2 plus c1 psi1 plus c3 psi3 is equal to E. Again we are keeping the value of psi here, that is psi2 plus c1 psi1 plus c3 psi3. This is our equation number 9. Now we can multiply psi2 with H. Psi2 H like this plus psi2 H0 plus C1 H7 again C1 H0 7 plus C3 H psi3 plus C3 H0 psi3 is equal to E psi2. We are multiplying this E with psi2. E psi2 plus C1 E7 plus C3 E psi3. Now this is equation number 10. After this we have H0, C1 and C3 are very smaller and can be neglected. These are very smaller, so we can neglect the value of these C1 and C3. So we have here psi2 H0. We are writing here psi2 H0 first equal to E psi2. We are changing the side of this term, that's why here is the value of this term is positive. After changing the side, this will be negative. So E psi2 minus psi2H plus C1 E psi1 we are changing the side of this term also, so minus here this term is of positive. Now it will become negative. C1 H7 plus C3 psi 3 माइनस C3H psi 3। हमने क्या किया है यहाँ पर E psi 2 में से माइनस किया है psi 2H को, प्लस लिया है C1E psi 1, उसमें से माइनस किया है C1H psi 1 को। आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टेकन हियर C3E psi 3 and we have minus this term C3H psi 3. Now this is equation number 11. After this, psi 2 H0 as it is equal to, we are taking the common psi 2 from here and here, common term हमने यहाँ से कॉमन लिया है psi 2 को। psi 2 into bracket what remains, E minus H, plus again we have taken similar term outside the bracket, C1 psi 1 कॉमन लिया है, what remains E minus H, plus C3 psi 3 common, what remains E minus H. This is our equation number 12. After this, we multiply this equation number 12 with psi 2 dr and we can integrate it. So integration psi 2 H0 we are multiplying with psi 2 dr equal to psi 2 E minus H integration psi 2 E minus H we are multiplying with psi 2 dr, plus C1 is constant, so we are keeping this outside the integration right now. C1 integration psi 1 E minus H as it is psi 2 dr, plus C3 outside the integration, so integration psi 3 E minus H psi 2 dr. This is our equation number 13. After this, psi 2 H0 psi 2 dr is equal to integration psi 2 E psi 2 E psi 2 dr. Means what we are doing here, we are multiplying with this psi 2 with E. So हमने यहाँ लिया है psi 2 E psi 2 dr माइनस, बिकॉज माइनस साइन है यहाँ पर, इंटीग्रेशन psi 2 H psi 2 dr प्लस C1 psi 1 H psi 2 dr, यहाँ पे माइनस है इसलिए यहाँ माइनस लिया है, what remains integration C1 psi 1 H psi 2 dr plus integration C3 psi 3 E psi 2 dr minus integration C3 psi 3 H psi 2 dr. So this is our equation number 14. C1 and C3 are integrated factor and very smaller, so we can neglect them also. So we can neglect this C1 term, here also C1, C3 we are neglecting these all terms. Now C1 and C2 terms, here we have neglected already. What remains, integration psi 2 H0 psi 2 dr is equal to integration psi 2 E psi 2 dr minus integration psi 2 H psi 2 dr. This is our equation number 15. After this, we are changing the side of these terms. हम यहाँ पे इस टर्म को इक्वल के इस साइड पे लेके आते हैं, यहाँ पे ये माइनस का है, साइड चेंज करने पे दिस विल बी बिकम पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज. सो इंटीग्रेशन psi 2 H0 psi 2 dr प्लस इंटीग्रेशन psi 2 H psi 2 dr is equal to integration psi 2 E psi 2 dr. This is equation number 16. After this, we are writing E0 for this value plus integration psi to h psi to dr as it is equal to E. We are writing E for this value where psi to h0 psi to dr इज इक्वल टू E0. हमने यहाँ पे E0 के लिए वैल्यू लिया है psi to h0 psi to dr और हमने E लिखा है इंटीग्रेशन psi to E psi to dr के प्लेस पर. हमें जो इक्वेशन मिली है यहाँ पर E0 अनपर्टर्ब्ड स्टेट ऑफ एनर्जी बट द चेंज ड्यू टू पर्टर्बेशन इज़ फाउंड टू बी. यहाँ पे जो E0 है ये अनडिस्टर्ब स्टेट ऑफ एनर्जी है E0 सॉरी, लेकिन जो चेंज हुआ है एनर्जी की वजह से पर्टर्बेशन मीन्स डिस्टर्बेंस हुआ है यहाँ पे ड्यू टू द एनर्जी इज़ फाउंड टू बी इंटीग्रेशन psi to h psi to dr. इतना एनर्जी में यहाँ पे चेंज हुआ है.